All right, got something brand new. I know most of you guys haven't even seen this thing, but I've been searching high and low for a propelled trolling motor like system that I could put on the kayak. And I didn't want to put this big, bulky trolling motor on the front of the kayak. And that's just, to me, that's horrible because it's going to get in the way while I'm casting or bringing a fish in. So I wanted something totally different, but I was searched high and low, and lo and behold, it's right here in Texas. It's called the Texas Power Paddle, man. And it hooks on and built into the rudder so you can steer it, and it goes. It's semi weedless, not completely weedless, but it's pretty darn good from what I see. So I can't wait to open the box, show you guys this thing, and get it put on. So let's get into it, man. All right, here we go. So open the box. Oh man, this thing is packaged good. Definitely taped up good. They send it to you right in the mail. As far as I can remember, shipment was free. If not, it's totally worth it to get sent to you. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it looks like a sandbag that has holes in it. Okay. Anyways. So, when I bought mine, I actually got a few goodies with mine because it was the Black Friday special, so there's some extras in here. If you order not around Christmas time, you probably won't get these extra goodies I got, so just keep that in mind. That was a little plastic bubble wrap. I don't know what this is. Yep, see, Black Friday box. Have a wonderful holiday season from Texas Power Paddle. So these are the extra goodies. I knew that there was extra goodies that came with the Black Friday bundle, but I don't know what they actually were. Some of them, because they just, until I put the thing together, I ain't gonna know. So, okay, so there's stuff in there. I knew what this was. This is actually kind of cool. It's a tumbler with a Bluetooth speaker on the bottom of the tumbler. So let's open this thing. They had like two different choices, and I picked this one for my choice. There's nothing else in it. All right, it says get ready to experience effortless kayaking. Texas Power Paddle. So, it's from Vibe. Never heard of that company, but Vibe tumblers. Has the USB micro and USB cable on there. Guess that's how you set up the Bluetooth. Yeah, one more time there. There's that. All right, that was goodie number one. Looks like they gave me some stickers, propulsion systems built for Hobie kayaks. So that one, Texas Power Paddle. That one with a redfish and a pinup girl on it. Let's see. That one. And they gave me a whole bunch of stickers. Well, I kind of like that one. Has the Texas flag on it. Texas Power Paddle equipped. But yeah, I think my favorite is the Texas flag one. All right, so this is after rinsing, apply protectant spray. So rust protection. So basically a lube for all the moving parts on the actual motor that it has on it. So we got that. Another prop blade for it. for the motor. Let's see here. A tune-up kit has some spare parts in there. I'll get into all that later. These look like some. Looks like the wire is going to this plug or something like that. I don't know what that is, but like I said, I'll figure all that out later. But those are extra parts for the motor itself. So that's the first little box there. All right. It says, as part of our mission to keep our waterways clean and beautiful for generations to come, we're offering a 25% discount for accessories by participating in our Leave No Trace incentive. All you have to do is fill the bag with trash. That's what this was. All you have to do is fill the bag with trash or debris while out on the water with Texas Power Paddle and email a picture to sales to texaspowerpaddle.com. Thanks for participating. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on the kayak, so next time I'm out and I see trash in the water or on the bank that I pull up on to, for whatever reason, I'm going to put some trash in this thing and I'm going to fill this thing up, because man, there's nothing more that pisses me off is seeing trash in the water. So good on them to give me this and, give me an incentive to do it too. So, yep, there's that. Let's see here. And a receipt of the stuff that's in the box when I bought it. All right, let's see. I really got a lot of room on my little desk or table here. So this is the one I got is for the Hobies. This is for the Pro Angler, Outback, Linux, the Compass. Yeah, everything that basically Hobie makes. Let's see what's in this one. Alright, so this looks like the rudder itself, because they give you a rudder to replace the one that's on the Hobies, or whatever system you bought it for. And so this is actually the motor and the rudder. Okay, so this is cable attached to the motor, as you can see right there. Spins inside, built into the rudder. Cable goes down it, just like so. Feels pretty sturdy, man. This is pretty solid. All right, that's your cable connector to the battery box that it comes with. So I know they got these separate online that you can hook up to another battery powered system that they got if you already have one. So this would be a replacement if you bought it separate. So there's that. And now room on this desk. This looks like part of the other part of the cables. Okay, if I remember right, this one is to control your speed. So you just turn the knob left or right, and it hooks up to the power pack. So that tells the motor that I just showed you how fast to go. So there's that. The mounting brackets for the cable that run along the side of the kayak or inside or wherever you want, is that I got to figure that one out when I'm starting to hook it up. You guys will see that here in a little bit. So, all right, here's the charge, the power pack that we still got to get into. Sorry, it's taking me a minute to get into this stuff. So there's the power pack. Plugs in like so. Has that kind of connector, I forgot what it's called, and then your 110 outlet plug. And that's the power pack. Plug in for the wall. Alright, so this should be some stuffing. Okay, let me put this on the ground. Okay. That is the heaviest part of this whole thing. This is your battery. This is a waterproof connector box that's holding the battery in. As you guys know, if I could, I would have used Z Pro batteries, lithium batteries, to hook up to this thing. But when I was looking at it, I was like, okay, I need something dedicated just for this, for the propulsion system. So I didn't want to drain my lithium battery, my Z Pro battery, because it's dedicated to my graph when I'm out there. I could put another Z Pro battery and somehow splice in the wires and hook it up. It'd been a mess and very hard for me to troubleshoot everything, and I didn't want to do that. So I just went, screw it. Let me get this power pack. It's plug and play basically. So that's why I went with this and didn't go with my Z Pro batteries or get another one. So, but I'm telling you, if you guys are looking for a battery that is phenomenal, look up Z Pro and get them for your boat or kayak. I'm also sponsored by these guys, so you know I stand by the product. I don't use something that's I'm just going to throw it out there and just tell you to get it when I'm not using it myself. I use Z Pro. Z Pro is a dang good battery. I want to say some other words there, but it is really good. So definitely check them out online. All right, now to get back to this. Stuffing. This is like, this thing, it reminds me of a Pelican case. I'm pretty sure this is like a Pelican case. Like they probably used it like that. Nanook, whatever company that is. You know. All right, so it has clamps on the side. Okay, so you got to push down and then lift up. This thing is solid, dude. Good grief. All right. Has a setup instructions, the operation, and care tips from what instruction manual thing right here as soon as you open it. Get ready to experience effortless kayaking. Has some QR codes, how to mount it. I'm pretty sure that shows you once you scan this, it'll show you how to install it and stuff like that. So that way it's pretty simple. All right, so this is what it looks like. Has some, looks like an LED screen and the USB port. And that looks like, oh, I switched it on right there. So there's a little switch right there. 20.6 volts, 97% ready to connect. That's what it's saying. So, all right, had a little fan to keep it cool, the battery nice and cool. So it looks like, okay, so that's, I guess, how you turn it on when you're ready to get on the water. Let's see. So, all right. Even has holes to lock it up so no one can get into that. And then you got the back of it. So there you go. Your ports to connect your wiring that I showed you earlier. That's right there. So that looks like it's about it. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually hook this up and how I'm going to set mine up, because I'm sure there's a million different ways to do that, but I'm going to show you guys how to set it up, show you what I did, so stay tuned.